How to see suggested friends on Instagram. Instagram suggests friends based on mutual connections, interactions, and shared interests. If you want to find people you might know or discover new accounts to follow, Instagram provides a few ways to see suggested friends. First, make sure your Instagram app is updated. If it's not, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and update it. Once updated, open the Instagram app. One way to see suggested friends is through your profile. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. If your account is new, you may see suggested friends directly on this page. If you don't see them, tap on Following. Just below the list of accounts you follow, you will find a blue button. Tap on the button and it will take you to the Suggested Friends section. The second option is through the Search tab. Tap the search icon at the bottom. Search for any account. If you follow that account, Instagram will show you suggested friends related to that person. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.